Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to do a complete overview of the brand new OREI USB-EX330-K 4-port USB extension kit. This product was designed to make it incredibly easy for you to share a USB port from your computer at one location with a second remote location up to 330 feet away over a single CAT6 or CAT7 LAN cable. The product fully supports the newer USB 2.0 standard as well as the older USB 1.1 standard, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with a wide universe of modern peripherals. The product also provides 4 USB-A ports at the remote location, so it acts like a USB hub, and you can use those ports for adding peripherals like a microphone, a camera, a hard drive, or even a printer at that remote location, and the minute you plug them into the receiver, they're immediately seen by the computer at the primary side. The unit can also operate in a one-to-one relationship with a direct connection between the transmitter and receiver, or it can be used with a switching network. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at both of the modules and explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the kit. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back one more time and do a short demonstration to show you just how simple this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. You'll find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs into the receiver and provides all the power you'll need for operation at that remote location. The transmitter receives its power through the USB connection to your computer, and there's a cable included that's a USB-A to USB-A. You can use that to connect the transmitter to your computer, and that provides data exchange as well as power for the transmitter. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about this product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at both modules, I'll list those features and functions, and then I'll come back and do the demonstration. Inside the kit, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures that make them incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or commercial installations. Let's take a look at the transmitter first. On the one end, you'll find a LAN port, and that's where one end of the CAT6 or CAT7 cable plugs in between the transmitter and the receiver module. And on the other end is a standard USB connection. You can use the cable that's included with the kit and connect this to a local computer. And that connection provides not only power for the module's operation, but also a data path for connecting all the peripherals at the remote location. The receiver module features 4 full-sized USB 2.0 connections on the one end, and you can use these to plug in a variety of peripherals like a microphone or a camera or even a hard drive at the remote location that are immediately seen by the computer at the primary location. On the other end of the module, starting on the left, is a reset button. Once power has been applied to the module, you can hold that button in for a few seconds to reset the module if needed. In the center is another LAN port. That's where the other end of the cable from the transmitter module plugs in. And then finally to the right is a power port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a standard wall outlet and plug the other end of the cable directly in here, and that'll provide all the power you'll need for operation at the receiver end, and the transmitter is powered by the device it's connected to. The OREI USB-EX330-K is compatible with most modern USB devices, including home computers, printers, camera systems, storage products, and commercial servers. The product's features include up to 330 feet of extension distance between the primary and secondary locations. It supports both USB 2.0 as well as USB 1.1 products. It offers 4 input connections at the remote location and a single output connection at the primary location. It can be direct connected or switch connected between the locations and offers a small plug-and-play design. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a mini PC that's currently connected to this monitor, and I've also plugged in a wireless dongle for this mouse right here, and you can see that I can move the pointer. I'd like to extend a USB connection from this computer to my remote location, again up to 330 feet away. In front of me, I have the transmitter module here, which connects to the computer, and the receiver module here, which is located at that secondary site where I'd like to add peripherals to that PC. The first connection I'll make is from the computer directly to the transmitter, and I've already plugged in the USB-A to USB-A cable, and that plugs directly into the transmitter. And the minute I make that connection, you'll notice the power indicator came on, and that's because that single connection provides power for the module. It also provides that data connection for the USB extension. Now I'm ready to power up the receiver at the remote location. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it, and I'll plug that directly into the DC input port. And the minute I add power to both of these modules, they start that internal power on self-test where they're checking the electronics. This one's checking the connectivity to the computer, and this one is waiting for a peripheral to be plugged in. The only thing we're missing at this point is the LAN connection between the two, and that has to be a CAT6 or a CAT7 cable. I have a CAT6 cable right here, and I'll plug it into the transmitter, and I'll plug it into the receiver. Now, the minute I do that, both of the modules at this point are communicating, they're handshaking over that cable, and they're making a secure connection between the primary and secondary location. Now, to test that, I can move the dongle to the receiver end, and again, the receiver has 4 USB-A ports, so it not only extends the USB connection, but it acts like a USB hub at that remote location. So I'll unplug the dongle from the computer, and I'll move it over to the receiver at the remote location. Now watch that pointer. It'll take a second for it to make that communication between the two, and you'll see that pointer move around in a second, and there we go. So it is just that easy to get it working. And the best part about this is I can plug in a camera, a microphone, a hard drive, a printer, a camera, a security camera, anything that's operating on a USB 2.0 connection or USB 1.1 can be plugged in at the remote location, and it's pretty much immediately seen by the computer at the primary location. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI USB-EX330-K 4-port USB extension kit helpful. This product makes it really easy for you to share a USB connection from your computer at one location with a second remote location up to 330 feet away over a single CAT6 or CAT7 LAN cable. The product fully supports the USB 2.0 standard as well as the older USB 1.1 standard, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with all of your existing peripherals. The receiver module provides 4 full-sized USB-A ports for connecting things like a microphone, a camera, a printer, or even a hard drive at the remote location, and it acts like a hub, so the minute you plug those peripherals into the receiver, they're immediately seen by the computer at the primary location. And finally, the system can operate in a direct connection with a single cable between the transmitter and receiver, or you can plug it into your switch network. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.